Based in the United Arab Emirates, ADSB, a subsidiary of EDGE, is a regional leader in building, repairing, maintaining, retrofitting and converting vessels. At IDEX 2021, the company unveiled two fast patrol boats, the smallest one that can be built from an 11 to 13 meter long version according to customer requirements, while the second one is a 16 meter long. ADSB has built over 100 boats and vessels of up to 73 meters before, but these fast patrol boats are the first to be designed and built by the company. The 11 to 13 meter version, called Majed 01, has been designed to meet requirements from the Coast Guards of the United Arab Emirates. It's an open cabin boat, but upon a customer request, a closed cabin will be mounted. It's fitted with 3 powerful Mercury outboard engines, enabling the boat to reach 65 knots. It has a payload of up to 2 tons, enabling it to carry a remote weapon station or a missile systems if required. In the version showcased at NAVDEX 2021, Majed 01 is armed with 2 machine guns, one at the front and one at the rear. ADSB is working on a conversion, enabling the boat to operate as USV, an unmanned surface vehicle. The company hopes to complete this concept by the end of 2021. Last but not least, the modular design of Majed 01 allows a speedy delivery within weeks instead of months. The 16-meter fast patrol boat, called Mesbar 01, was also fully designed and built in the UAE by ADSB and launched on the first day of NAVDEX 2021. Like the Majed 01, it has been designed to meet requirements from the Coast Guards of the United Arab Emirates. It can additionally feature self-righting technology that helps the boat turn back in upright position if it capsizes. Like the smaller fast patrol boats, Mesbar 01 is built following a modular design to accommodate either a short cabin with room for surface-to-surface missile systems or a longer cabin for troop transport. In both cases, it's armed in accordance with the customer's choice, with guns ranging from a manually operated heavy machine gun up to a 30mm cannon mounted in a remote weapon station on the cabin roof. The Mesbar 01 has a beam of 4.10 meters and a displacement of 17 tons. It's fitted with 2 inboard diesel engines powering 2 water jets that enable the boat to reach 50 knots. The boat can be armed with a rocket launcher, a remote weapon station with heavy machine gun mounted on the cabin roof, and 2 7.62mm machine guns mounted at the back of the boat. Running one of the largest shipyards in the Middle East, ADSB operates 3 main naval programs: corvettes, offshore patrol vessels, and fast patrol boats. The company also provides a full range of maintenance, repair and refit, upgrade and conversion, as well as engineer consultancy services.
This is the 16-meter boat that was designed and built by ADSB during 2020. It was requested by one of the Coast Guards in the UAE. We're happy to announce that it reached a high speed of 50 knots with a cruising speed of 45 knots. The design is customizable as per the client's requirements, and we can have an option to do it in USV version, which also is as per the client's requirement. This is considered a short OPV, an offshore patrol vessel. The boat has a range of 350 nautical miles. You can install weapon stations from manual 12.7 up to the same that is installed on board now, a 30mm remote weapon station. We have also a request, or we can also install missile launcher on the boat as per the request of the client. We have to consider the loading or the weightage of the missile system to be installed. One last thing, we've named this is the first class of this design, but we decided to call this boat Mesbar 1. In Arabic, Mesbar is the probe. We called it because it was launched at the company on February 9, where the Hope probe by the UAE reached Mars planet. So we took it as an opportunity for us to show our appreciation to our leadership in the UAE.